This video will walk you through the visual aids you'll be using during the New Testament Quarter 4 and show you how to incorporate them into your lessons. This quarter, students will follow the spread of the gospel through the book of Acts as Paul travels from city to city, sharing the message of Jesus. The goal is not for students to memorize travel routes, but to see how God's message continued spreading as the early church grew. The visual aids in your classroom will help students see that story unfolding week by week. On your bulletin board, you will continue using most of the materials from the previous quarter. For preschool through kindergarten, you will continue using the Highlights of Acts display. The verses on this board correspond to various lessons throughout the quarter. As you teach each lesson, take a moment to point out and highlight the verse that connects to that lesson so students can see where the story appears in the book of Acts. For 3rd through 6th grade, you will use the You Shall Be My Witnesses bulletin board set. Each lesson, you'll point out where you are in the mission Christ gave his apostles on the day of Pentecost. Witnessing in Jerusalem in chapters 1 through 7, Judea and Samaria in chapters 8 through 12, and the remotest parts of the earth in chapters 13 through 28. The life and mission of Jesus poster should already be removed when you arrive in class. However, if it is still displayed, simply remove it and place it back in the blue poster bag. Don't forget to make sure the people cards are also returned to the accordion folder. In its place, you will display Paul's missionary journey maps. These maps will help students see how the gospel spread outward as Paul traveled to new cities. To make this easy to follow, we have provided a lesson-by-lesson key for Paul's journeys. This key shows exactly which portions of the journey correspond with each lesson, so teachers can easily trace the correct route on the map for that lesson. All classes will also follow the same Paul's Missionary Journeys lesson schedule, which aligns the lessons with the journeys and the cities Paul visits. This schedule matches the maps and several of the activities provided in the lessons. Following this shared schedule ensures that students across all classes are tracking the same movements on the map as they learn about Paul's travels. For grades 1 through 6, each quarter bin will include a red Expo marker and Expo wipes. As you teach the lessons, you can use this marker to draw Paul's travel route directly on the journey maps. Tracing the route as you teach helps students visualize how far Paul traveled and how the message of Jesus spread from city to city. When it is time to switch to a new map, please use the dry erase wipes provided in your bin to clean the maps so they are ready to use again the next time we teach this quarter. We also have a small Paul figure that you can place a small piece of sticky tack on the back of and move to the destination for that lesson. This figure can be found in the accordion folder under the Highlights of Acts section. Throughout the lessons, refer back to these maps often so students can see where Paul is traveling and how the story connects from week to week. Remember that the goal is not for students to memorize every city or travel route. Instead, the journeys help students see the bigger picture of the book of Acts as the message of Jesus spreads to new people and new places. Along with the journey maps, you will also continue using the My Spiritual Heritage timeline cards and the memory mnemonic posters as part of your lessons. If you have not already watched those training videos, please be sure to review them as well so you understand how those tools fit into the curriculum. Together, these visual aids will help students see how each lesson in quarter 4 fits into the larger story of God's plan. Over time, this helps them understand that the events of Acts are not isolated stories, but part of the continuing spread of the gospel.